All right, guys, we're going to do a quick review of multiplying fractions because next week we're moving into dividing fractions. So let's just make sure that you know how to multiply. Remember, when we multiply fractions, you're simply going to multiply the product of the numerators. So you're going to multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators and then simplify. So that's kind of the hard part. So if I have 3/4 times 8/9, you're going to multiply 3 times 8, 24. 4 times 9 is 36. And then I want you to simplify. Remember, simplify is to figure out what do they both have in common? What factor do they have in common? So in this case, I can divide them both by 12. Okay, so let's do a couple of examples. All right, multiplying fractions is pretty easy. You're simply multiplying across. So 3 times 5, that's 15. 4 times 8 is 32. Okay. I cannot divide that by anything, so I am finished. Go straight across. That's 27 over 50. Again, that is simplified. I can't do anything else. All right, multiply straight across. That's 42 over 84. Maybe you realize that those are both even. So if I divide by 2, I get 21 over 42. Maybe you realize you can divide by 7. So I get 3/6. I divide by 3 and I get 1/2. So all of that simplifies down to a half. Okay. All right. You have a couple of problems to work with on Class Kick with multiplying fractions, just the simple fractions. But I'm going to keep going. So let's look at, now we're going to move to mixed fractions. Okay, so remember, a mixed fraction or mixed number has a whole number and a fraction. Okay, so you're going to have to be able to turn these into an improper fraction before you multiply. All right, so I just want to remind you, you're going to multiply the denominator times your whole number, multiply those, and then add your numerator. Okay, so 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 is 43/8. Okay, that is a mixed number turned into an improper fraction. Okay, now if I want to go the opposite way, remember we keep talking about that this right here, this fraction part, that means to divide. Okay, so I want to divide 38 divided by 7. So 38 divided by 7. Okay. 7 goes into 38 5 times. That's 35. And whenever you have a remainder here, it's my remainder, you're going to bring your remainder on top, keep the same denominator. Okay? So you can check it to make sure you're right. 7 times 5, 35, plus 3, 38. Okay? All right, so in order to actually multiply mixed fractions, you're going to have to turn them improper first. All right, so here are the rules. If I want to solve this problem, 1 2/3 times 2 1/4, okay? Do not think that you can simply multiply your whole numbers and then multiply your fractions. That does not work, okay? First thing you have to do is you have to turn them improper. You have to turn them improper. So I'm going to do that first. Let's turn them improper. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5/3, times 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1, 9/4. All right, I've turned them improper. Now it says multiply the numerators. So I'm going to multiply straight across. That's 45. Multiply the denominators. 3 times 4 is 12. All right, so this is my improper answer. This is my improper answer. But now I need to turn it proper. Okay, so this is my improper. Now I need to turn it proper. So, 45 divided by, that means to divide by 12. So 45 divided by 12. 12 goes in there 3 times. That's 36. That would be 9 left over. So 9/12. Now, that can be your final answer. Some of you might also realize, I can simplify that if I divide that by 3. Your whole number won't change, so it's still 3. And then 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay. In this case, I will take this answer or this answer. Okay. I'll take either one of them. Okay. So the first thing you got to do is you have to turn them improper, multiply straight across. That's going to give you an improper answer. Then you must change it back. You must change it back. All right. All right, you've got a couple problems on class kick to work on. So work through those. And then next week, we're moving to division. Have a great day.